Let me ask you one honest question. You have studied tenses, articles, error detection, but still English questions go wrong. Do you know why? Because you skip the one most important foundation of English grammar, that is parts of speech. Today I will show you how one topic controls your entire English grammar scores in all the exams. If you understand this properly, then grammar will stop being confusing forever. Hello everyone, I am Priya and welcome to English Grammar Made Easy. Today we are going to start this series from the root of English grammar, and that is parts of speech. What are parts of speech? The role a word plays in a sentence. The role a word plays in a sentence, that role called parts of speech. Every word has its different role in every sentences. English grammar has rules, but rules work only when you know that which word is doing what job. For example, Rohan is a good boy. Okay. Rohan, noun, is action or state. Good, adjective. Boy, noun. So you see, every word has a duty, and that duty is called its parts of speech. Why parts of speech are so crucial for all the competitive exams? Because examiners don't ask grammar randomly. They expect from you to identify which word is noun, which is a verb or action word, which is adjective or adverb. So without this clarity, error detection fails, sentence improvement fails, close test becomes guesswork. So if you ever felt to come aa rahe ho, now you know the reason. In this series, we will cover each parts of speech separately with rules, examples and exam questions. One most important thing you must remember, that a word does not have its fixed parts of speech. Its role changes according to the sentence. For example, I booked a ticket. See the role of book, and I have a good book. See here the role of book. Here the book is playing the role of verb, and here the book is playing the role of noun. This is verb. The word is same, book, but here the book is playing the role of verb, and here that book word is playing the role of noun. This single concept can give you 2-3 extra marks in the exams. So today we learned what parts of speech mean, why they are important in all the exams, and how they controls your grammar accuracy. Without this base, advanced grammar will always feel difficult. In the next class, we will start with the most important parts of speech, noun. And trust me, nouns are not as simple as you think. In every class, you will get the PDF of exam related questions, so that you can practice it after the class. If you are serious about your exams, then don't skip the next part. Subscribe this channel and comment yes if you are following this full series. Remember, if you understood even one concept today, then consider today was not wasted. Success is built through small, consistent steps. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next class. Till then, take care and keep progressing.